Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system. And here let's choose the backup. As you can see, now it is turned on. If you have it turned off, simply tap on the switcher right here. And now it is on. We have to, of course, add a Google Backup account, so simply tap on this account. Let's wait a second and be sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. Okay, from this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type an email or phone. Let me do this. I've got it saved. Simply click on next if you are ready. And here you have to enter your password. Let me do this out of the screen. After typing the password, simply tap on next. And here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course you can read them. Simply tap on it, select something, and here we've got all the info. Let's close it. Click on I agree. As you can see here, we've got some backup and storage info. Click on accept. And here we've got the info about what the backup includes. So it will backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Let's click on OK. And as you can see, we've just added our backup account, and now our data is saved on the Google Drive. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup on your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.